So we have this pre-assembled right now. This is basically how it's going to look. Now we're mocking up the mounting location.
Wrong way. You need anything else?
That's it.
Yeah, we got the vacuum there. Just goes under.
Goes.
Okay, that's good.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm putting on some Loctite.
You want to put it on the edge of the threads, the final threads.
Yes,
Like
put
that.
it in.
Yeah. Thread locker basically locks it in and prevents it from rotating back out. So we have gone ahead and cut out this extra piece to raise it up. Let's clean this up. But this is gonna go over this like this. Okay, and we're gonna want it to lock in this position, correct?
Yep.
So we want this to be here. We'll go ahead and apply silicone all around all our holes. Washer, ball bearing, washer. Don't drop it.
Oh, like this. Good thing it's such a big size.
The back.
Let me show you.
Got it.
Yeah.